of questions can come in the interviews as well as in written test. As here we can see that they have given a CMOS and they kept a resistor in between. This is a very common kind of situation which will arrive in practical problem. So there is a high chance that interview it will be given. This can be done in two cases. First case is R is constant and another is R is varying. Okay, constant case or R will vary. This is first one. This is one. Now first we will take R as constant. What will happen if R is constant? Let's see. Now the input is unit step. Okay, so we will analyze like at t is equal to 0 minus means at t is equal to 0 minus means the voltage at this is 0 point. Okay, this is time axis, right? At t is equal to 0 minus means the voltage value will be 0. So let me take this circuit. At t is equal to 0 minus the voltage here will be 0. So if the voltage will be 0 means the circuit we can rewrite as this will be NMOS will be in off state. This will be off. Okay, this is 0 means let's write the equivalent circuit for this. Okay, equivalent circuit will be something like the resistance, and due to this 0 voltage this PMOS is on, so it has some on resistance. R on will be there, RPO, let's say R on, and this voltage will be resistance R. Now we have here VD. What will be the output? This is ground, right? 0 means ground, right? This is before the input means before t is equal to 0. This is steady state only. The output will be divided into R divided by R plus RPO into VD. This is the output before t is equal to 0. Now let's see at t is equal to 0 plus. Let's see t is equal to 0 plus. At t is equal to 0 plus, let's take the circuit again. Now here the output will be, let's say this input is 1. Okay, if it is 1 then this will be off, this will be on, sorry, this will be off. The equivalent circuit will be something like this. We have R on N, R on, R on. This is ground, right? This one is ground. This is output. The upper part will be removed because it's open circuit. This is reading, but it's removed from the circuit since PMOS is off. This will be input. So what is the output voltage? This is out, right? V out. This is V out. So here V out will be equal to kind of same R on of P, R on of N divided by R on of N, just voltage division, plus R on of R, just R. This is R, right? That's it. Into V in. Okay, that's it for this. We'll see. Let's see how the variation of R will affect the circuit. Variation of R will vary from 0 to infinite. If we consider this, consideration is very important for an analog engineer because most cases we will deal with this resistance, variation in resistance. The variation of resistance will impact the circuit very much. For example, if R is 0, let's see what will happen if R is equal to 0. The circuit R is 0 means the resistance is 0, means it's a short circuit. If this is short circuit, whatever the resistance here and all, it doesn't matter. The direct input will go to output. That is very important analysis which you need to remember. And what if R is equal to infinite? So first we will draw R is equal to infinite. For R is equal to infinite, this will act as an open circuit. It will act as simple CMOS. So for 0 it will give directly 1, and for 1 it will give directly 0. For R is equal to 0, V out is equal to V inputting only. Whatever the input is there, the same output you will get, because